This tutorial will walk you through creating a true color image with JS9 and post-processing in Pixlr. First things first, we need to open up JS9 in the Activity Portal. From here, we can decide what object we're going to turn into a true color image. Remember, in order to create a true color image, you need to have taken 3 images, one with each of the 3 color filters, red, green, and blue. This isn't available for every object, but there are a number of options in the Stars and Nebula and Galaxies lists. I'm going to create a true color image of the Orion Nebula. To begin, select the drop-down menu, My List, and choose one of your images. Next, it's time to process the image. Because this is a dim image, I'm going to select the log scale. The best trick to make your background dark when using the log scale is to set your brightness limit equal to the pixel value you see when scrolling over the background. In this case, the background is somewhere in the mid-360s. Next, bring down the high brightness limit to bring out more of the detail. Once you're happy with the processing, make sure you double-check what filter was used. To do this, go to the Image drop-down and select Display Fits Header. You'll see Filter listed, and in this case, I'm working with the image taken with a green filter. Now you can close the Fits header and change your color map by selecting Color from the drop-down menus. Make sure to set it to the color corresponding to your filter. So in my case, this image was taken with a green filter, so I'm going to set the color to green. Finally, we're going to save the image to our computer so we can upload it to Pixlr. To do this, select Image Save as PNG. My browser settings currently saves all downloads to the download file. So once it downloads, I'm going to open it up and select Save As to rename it Green Orion and save it to my desktop. I'm now going to repeat this process for the other 2 images taken, both the blue and green filters. When I'm happy with the processing of each, I'm going to double check which filter was used to take the image, color it, then save it to my desktop. Now that we have all 3 images processed and ready to go, we can open up Pixlr for our post-processing. In the URL bar, type pixlr.com. When the page opens, select Pixlr Editor Launch Web App. A prompt box will open. Select Open Image from Computer. Open the image taken with the red filter first. Next, select Layer from the drop-down menu. Then open Image as Layer. From here, you can open the green image you saved to your computer. Repeat this step with the blue image as well. Next, we're going to want to change the mode of both our blue and green layers by first selecting the toggle bar icon. Then, while the blue layer is highlighted, changing the drop-down menu to Screen. We're going to repeat this step with the green layer as well. Now all 3 colors are visible, building our true color image. Finally, you're going to want to align the image. Do this by clicking on the Select tool on the left-hand side of your screen. Double check what layer is highlighted, as that is the layer you're going to move. First, I'm going to align my red and green layers. Now I'm going to select the blue layer and align that as well. There you go. Now you have a true color image. Feel free to add some text if you'd like. I'm going to label mine Erica's True Color Orion Nebula. Before you save your image, be sure to flatten it. You can do this by selecting Layer, Flatten Image. Then, when you're ready, select File, Save. We suggest saving it as a PNG, as this is the best format for uploading in YouthAstroNet.